Everyone is running after something in life. A dream, a goal, a future. Yet many people reach the end of the day and feel empty inside. If you have ever felt this way, this story is for you. Please listen to the end. It may change how you understand happiness. In a quiet village, surrounded by green hills and clear flowing rivers, there lived a young man named Ion. He was brave, strong-minded, and respected by everyone around him. When others stepped back, Ion stepped forward. When life became difficult, he faced it without fear. From the outside, his life looked complete. But inside his heart, there was silence, a strange emptiness that no one else could see. Even after achieving many things, Ion felt incomplete. Something was missing. Searching for answers, Ion decided to leave the village for a while. He had heard of an old wise man named Rahil who lived alone near the forest. People said Rahil didn't give advice, he gave understanding. So one quiet morning, Ion gathered his courage and walked toward a small wooden hut near the trees. Rahil was sitting calmly outside. His eyes were peaceful. His smile was warm. With a tired voice, Ion said, "Sir, I work hard. I chase success. But no matter what I achieve, I don't feel satisfied. Please tell me, how can I find true happiness?" Rahil looked at him silently. Then he spoke. "I will help you," he said. "But first, do something for me." He pointed to an old bucket nearby. "Take this bucket, go to the river every day for 1 week, fill it with water, and pour it into my well. But remember, the bucket is cracked." Ion was confused, but he agreed. Every morning, he walked to the river. He filled the bucket with water and carried it back carefully. But before reaching the well, most of the water leaked away. Each time, the bucket was almost empty. The sun was hot, the work was tiring. Still, Ion did not stop. After 1 week, exhausted and disappointed, he returned. "I failed," he said softly. "I couldn't fill your well." Rahil smiled gently. "You didn't fail," he said. "Now, turn around." Ion looked back. The dry path he had walked every day was no longer empty. It was covered with grass, with flowers, with life. His eyes widened. "How did this happen?" Ion whispered. Rahil replied, "The water that leaked from the bucket watered the ground. It gave life to the path." Then he said, "Life is the same. We all have cracks, weaknesses, mistakes. But even with them, our efforts matter. Happiness doesn't come only from reaching the goal. It comes from the journey and the good we create along the way." At that moment, Ion understood. Even when he felt incomplete, his actions still mattered. Even when he felt lost, he was still creating something meaningful. Ion returned home, not with all the answers, but with peace. This story reminds us, don't wait for success to be happy. Don't hate yourself for being imperfect. Your journey has value. Your effort leaves a mark. So ask yourself, what beauty are you creating along the way? If this story touched your heart, give it a like. Share it with someone who needs hope today, and stay with us for more meaningful stories. See you in the next one.